We are pleased to show you the 2025 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, navigation system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.